Very good morning to all of you. There is lot of network issues today. We don't have internet in college and I'm using my mobile data, but it is unable to connect. So it might be possible we can face a lot of problem during the class also, as my data connection in mobile is also very poor today. So please bear with it and try to attend the class. And if you face problems, so do write in the chat box so that I will come to know you are facing some problem. Strength of the class is very less. Other students are joining. Till now 11 students. So after a break of your first midterm, we are starting with our class today for microprocessor and interface. We have discussed 3 units were complete, few programmings were left. We can discuss that, and if you faced any problem in your midterm, we can discuss that also. Paper was not that tough. I think maximum students attempted all the questions. So any doubt in question paper? So we were discussing some basic programmings, assembly language program. For that, you should know thoroughly the instruction set of 885, which we have discussed very thoroughly in the class. So next program, I have given some homework to you. So now, are you able to write your program? Please write in the chat box. Are you able to write your own program or not? Basic programming skills do you have for microprocessor subject? Yes or no? How many knows the programming skills? Students, please reply. Is it audible? The screen is visible to you. Okay. And what other students are doing? Just sitting idle. No response, no reply. So now you can write your own programs. If yes, then we will discuss some complicated programs of 885. If basics is clear. Otherwise, we will move from basics only. Okay, so we'll move a little bit towards stuff programming. Write down this program. Pack the two unpacked BCD numbers. Stored in memory location 4200 and 4201 hex. and store the result in memory location 4300 hex. So start writing this program. What you have to do to unpack BCD numbers stored in memory location, you have to pack the two unpacked BCD numbers. So what is to be done? Assume any number which is already stored in the memory location. So you have to directly take that number. It could be anything. And result, you have to store at 4300 hex. Assume the least significant digit is stored at 4200 hex. Okay. So write down the program. What logic you will apply here? क्या करेंगे हम? This is the flow chart. Start. Get the number for the most significant BCD digit. Rotate 4 times to the left and make least significant digit 0. Add the number for lower significant BCD digit into rotated number and store the result. Packed BCD numbers and unpacked BCD number. So LSB is stored at 4200 hex. That number is to be rotated. MSB is to be rotated 4 times so that you will get 9 over here and 4. So the result will be 94 hex. So this is the program. It's very easy. We all know the BCD numbers are from 0 to 9. A decimal number 29 can be converted into BCD number by splitting it into 2. How you can convert? See, BCD number is having its limitation. It's from 0 to 9. Okay, and if we consider decimal numbers, there are so many decimal number, 2 digit, 3 digit, 4 digit. We have to convert that into a packed BCD number. So what we will do here, we have to take that BCD number. अगर मेरे पास decimal number है, I can convert that into BCD. So how I will convert? I will split these two number and I will write it as 02 and 09. Got this? The same logic is applied over here. Here we are assuming that two BCD numbers are stored at 4200 and 4201 hex. वो नंबर होंगे तुम्हारे 0 to 9 के बीच में ही होंगे, कोई भी नंबर हो सकता है. So I have to pack the two unpacked BCD numbers. So I will rotate this 9 because LSB तो मेरा stored है 4200 में. MSB किस में होगा? 4201 hex पर होगा stored. So I will rotate this and I will get 94 as my result. So how I will write the program? See, LDA 4201 hex, or you can use LXI H comma 4201 hex. But here if I'm using H LXI instruction, then what is to be done? I have to change the location from H to accumulator because I have to rotate the MSB bit. Clear? So rotation किस में होता है? It happens in accumulator only. So directly मैंने instruction use में लिया LDA. I can use LXI and move instruction. So that will increase your number of instructions used in the program, and it will waste your machine cycle. It will require more number of T states to accumulate one program. So I will directly use LDA instruction. Okay, you can use that also, but that will increase length of your program. So then RLC, 4 times RLC, 4 time rotate instruction. So the position has changed. As this is the position of second digit 0, 9 से क्या हो गई अब मेरी position 90 hex. Okay. Now what I will do, make least significant BCD digit 0. हमें पता नहीं है, see we don't know what is stored in the memory location. Here I have assumed, this is my example. See students, this is, I have assumed kid 04 and 09, but we don't know what is stored over there. Whatever number is there, if it is a 2-bit, it could be maximum 2-digit number, it could be 34x, 44x, 54x, anything could be there. So what I will do, it's a BCD number, so it should be a single digit number. 04 should be there. Okay, it could be 2, it could be 3, but it could not be 23, 24, 25, 33, 94. It could be a single digit number. So what I will do, I will apply ANDing. ANDing करने से क्या होगा, जब मैं 0 से AND करूंगी तो I will get 0 only. 0 and 0 is 0. So what I am doing here, ANI FO hex. After rotation, FO hex, or ANI means ANDing immediate accumulator data with FO hex. तो FO hex से मैंने उसको AND कर दिया, मेरे इसमें जो भी डेटा था 4201 hex पे उसको मैंने FO से कर दिया है. और F क्यों लिखा है मैंने, बिकॉज इट इज 1 1 1 1. ओके, आफ्टर दैट वी आर हैविंग 4 zeros. ठीक है, तो 1 के साथ जब मैं एंडिंग करूंगी तो जो भी मेरा MSB बिट होगा एज इट इज इट विल बी स्टोर्ड. मेक लीस्ट सिग्निफिकेंट BCD डिजिट 0. स्टोर द पार्शियल रिजल्ट. अब जो भी अक्यूमुलेटर में आया है उसको मैंने C में स्टोर कर दिया है. नाउ व्हाट आई एम डूइंग, अभी मैंने MSB बिट के साथ I played with MSB bit right now. I got the MSB bit, I rotated it, and I stored that bit in the accumulator. Accumulator say I'm moving it because now I want the second digit. Second digit is my LSB. So LDA 4200 hex. I'm taking the LSB bit. You can see this. You can do this thing before also. You can apply second logic. You can change the sequence of the program. Okay. Now what I will do, I have to add these two digits to get the result. So add C. अभी C किसके साथ add होगा, C में क्या था मेरा डेटा, C में डेटा था जो 4201 hex में हमने रोटेट किया है. That means right now in my example it's 90. It's 90. Okay students, and this data is there in register C. What is there in register A? Accumulator में क्या है मेरा डेटा, in accumulator I am having the LSB bit. LSB bit is my 04 hex. So now A will be added with C, and where the result will be stored after addition, you can tell. Result of addition will be stored in, yes student, please be active in the class. We are doing programming. Getting students or not? Okay. So at last I will get 94 hex in accumulator. Now in the program it's mentioned key I have to store the result at 4300 hex. So I'm storing the result at 4300 hex. STA instruction is used. So it's clear. So next program is your homework. Write down the program in your copy. ये लिख लिया तुमने program? Should I give you some time to write the program? Okay, write down. Write down and write down next question number 7 also in your copy. Then we will continue. Finished. So next program you can write in your copy by your own. It's very easy. BCD number stored. Unpack the BCD number. उसमें हमें पैक करना था, यहाँ पे अनपैक करना है. ओके, opposite of that. So next, write down next program in your copy. Calculate the sum of series of numbers. Simple addition, subtraction you can do by your own. Calculate the sum of series of numbers. The length of series is in memory location 2200 hex. The length of series is in memory location 2200 hex and series itself begins from 2201 hex. A. Assume the sum to be 8-bit number. So ignore carry and store the sum at 2300 hex. Please write down the question in your copy because you have to write your program. Now it will be a live session because programming skills, every student should know how to write a program. So whatever doubt you can speak out and try to write your own program. Okay. And second is assume the sum to be a 16-bit number. Store the sum at memory locations 2300 hex and 2301 hex. Got the question, students, or should I explain this question? Just read it out. Yes, students. समझ में आ गया question? Very good. If you understood the question. So now start writing. You can draw your flow chart first. What you have to do? Sum of series calculate करना है और series की length कहाँ है stored? Where is the length of series? Yes, student. Where is the length of series? See, students, we can have a interactive class if you will respond. Otherwise, it becomes very easier for me to just explain you the program which I have written. So you want that pattern, so we can start with that also. Yes, Gunjan, the length is stored in 2200x. That means this is it's a user defined program. User can store anything in the memory location. It's not a fixed program कि length मैंने define कर दिया, it's 4, it's 10. No, the length of the series can be anything which is already stored in the memory location. So it will directly take that from this. We will assume that the length is 10 hex. 10 hex मतलब 10 decimal नहीं है. It's after A, B, C, D, E, F. It is 10 hex. That means 17 decimal. Okay, 0 to F, 0 to 15, then 16. Clear? Now, series itself begin from 2201 hex. तो सबसे पहला हमें प्रोग्राम क्या लिखना है? Assume the sum to be 8-bit number. जो भी sum आएगा, it is only 8-bit number. So ignore the carry and store the result at 2300 hex. So what will be the logic? I have to take the first data, that is the length. I have to set a counter of that length. I will decrease the counter, or I will start from 0 and I will end at I will compare the data from this 2200 hex memory location. Comparison result 0, that means it has to stop. Or I can set a counter, I will decrease the counter from this memory location and I will add the data. But I have to ignore the carry, so I can use a simple addition instruction also. एडीसी यूज में लेने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी तुमको इसमें, ठीक है? बिकॉज क्लियरली मेंशन्ड इग्नोर कैरी. इफ इट्स नॉट मेंशन्ड देन यू हैव टू यूज एडीसी इंस्ट्रक्शन. सो स्टार्ट राइटिंग द प्रोग्राम. सबसे पहले मैंने डेटा लिया है 2200 हेक्स से, ठीक है? देन आई एम मूविंग दैट डेटा इनटू सी बिकॉज आई हैव टू सेट अ काउंटर. यहाँ से मैंने क्या किया, 2200 हेक्स पे जो भी काउंटर की वैल्यू थी दैट आई हैव टू इन register C. See students, I can give you time to write your own program also. So you can try. 5 minutes I will give you. It's 11, 12. 5 minutes I am giving you. You can write your own program. दोनों में से A, B में से जो भी तुम्हें आता हो, तुम अपना प्रोग्राम खुद लिखो. Should I give you 5 minutes, students? Basic concept I have explained you. There is no issues in that. Yes or no? Or should I continue? Yes, students, please reply. Continue means in what sense should I continue? I should tell you the program, or you are writing the program by your own. In exam, 20 marks question can be asked to write the program. So write down. That's why I'm giving you 5 minutes to try to write your own program. so that you, whatever difficulties you will face, you can discuss it with me. Today is the last class. In next class, we will start with the new unit. Whatever doubts you have, you can clarify. Yes, 2 minutes more. Yes, you can use jump if not zero. Okay, Komal completed the first program. See, there is online software also. You can write your program and you can check those programs in that software also. Programming for ADD 5. So that sometimes it happens, we will get key whether. See, actually, in college, we have that software that is not online. So, if anybody wants, you can come in the college, you can take from our computer system. Online, I have to search, but I think you can try online also. You will get very easily the software. Just what you have to do, you have to write the hexadecimal codes. First, write the program. Each instruction is having its individual hexadecimal code. Just write that code, and in the computer system, you have to just enter that code and the program will get executed. And in some software, you have to write ALPs. The program, whichever you are writing, you have to write that. So, all finished with the program? So, I'm sharing my program. You can check. A ही लिखा है. I think first one is done by all. So, anything you want to ask, whatever you have written in this program, NC JNZ के साथ तुम्हें नेमिंग करनी पड़ेगी. Okay, because it's a rotation loop. So where you have to branch that JNZ, you have to mention it. So JNZ back I have written, you can write JNZ up, you can write JNZ counter, you can write JNZ series, anything, but you have to mention that at its proper location. Okay. So a very simple program, सबको आ गया. Good. Next program is 16-bit number. Assume the sum to be a 16-bit number. पहले केस में sum था 8-bit number, तो कोई प्रॉब्लम ही नहीं हुई. वो सम को तुमने एक मेमोरी लोकेशन पे स्टोर कर दिया. जब हम कह रहे हैं कि रिजल्ट हमारा 16 बिट है, दैट मीन्स नाउ इट विल रिक्वायर 2 मेमोरी लोकेशंस टू स्टोर दैट रिजल्ट. Okay, so here we have just used STA instruction to store the result. Now I have to use 2 memory location to store the result. So LSBs will be stored here, MSBs will be stored in 2001 hex memory location. Logic is almost same. It's almost same. Add करते गए हम continuously. I have to use 2-3 counters over here. Or you can write your own program. Load first number length in accumulator. Accumulator का counter मैंने C में set कर दिया है, जिसको मैं decrease कर रही हूँ. Okay, I am decrementing this counter DCRC over here. Okay, first data 2201 hex I have taken in H. Subtract A. Because the first data is taken, I am subtracting A. A में मेरा counter था. Okay, so I am subtracted. Move B comma A. अब मैंने उसको काउंटर को A से B में ले लिया है. Now add M. What I am adding now? My first series starts from 2201 hex. फर्स्ट डेटा जो था काउंटर मैंने सी में ले लिया. एलेक्सा एच का जो डेटा था 2201 हेक्स, दैट इज इन द मेमोरी लोकेशन. ओके, नाउ दिस डेटा इज टू बी एडेड विद द नेक्स्ट डेटा. क्लियर? मूव बी कॉमा ए, जो काउंटर था वो बी में आ गया है. नाउ एड एम. अक्यूमुलेटर डेटा विल बी एडेड विद द नेक्स्ट मेमोरी लोकेशन. JNCX jump if not carry. जब तक कैरी नहीं है. Increment B INX H DCRC JNZY. Store the result. Move A comma B. जो भी कैरी जनरेट हुई है B में, वो A में आ जाएगी और उसको मैं नेक्स्ट मेमोरी लोकेशन में स्टोर कर दूंगी. So you can write your own program also. Now multiplication is having a bit different logic. Multiply 2 8-bit numbers stored in memory location. How we will multiply 2 8-bit numbers? Direct instruction is not available. We all know. Division भी direct नहीं होता है. तो how I will perform multiplication? Can anybody tell multiplication कैसे perform कर सकते हैं हम? By using the instructions which we have studied. By adding that number of times. If I want to multiply 2 into 3, what I will do? I will add 2 plus 2 plus 2. 3 times I will add the first number. So that logic only I will apply. And if it's a bigger number, see, multiplication needs shifting also. We all know 2-digit multiplication. जब मैं करूंगी 23 into 32, 23 into 32, 2 will be multiplied first by 23. Then 3 को जब मैं multiply करती हूँ तो first LSB bit is left, it will start from second position. That means shifting is needed over there. Okay, that is very important in multiplication. So we can have 2 to 3 different logics to multiply two 8-bit number. Okay, result could be 16-bit. Result is not essential, it will be 8-bit result. So result could be 16-bit. So always whenever we are multiplying two 8-bit numbers, we should consider that the result could be a 16-bit number. So we should store likewise. Okay. So generally in multiplication instruction, we use DAD instruction, DAD instruction. क्या करता है DAD instruction? कोई बता सकता है significance of DAD instruction? Yes, students, what is the significance of DAD instruction? DAD. Inputs are 8-bit only. Double addition. That means it can add 16-bit of data. That is DAD instruction. Now how I can do, see 3-4 minutes are left for the class. Division. Write a program to divide 17 by 4. What is the division logic? किसी को पता है? मुझे 17 को 4 से डिवाइड करना है या चलो मुझे 16 को 2 से डिवाइड करना है. What logic I can apply? In C programming, how you will perform division operation? मल्टीप्लीकेशन मैंने कहा एडिशन से हो जाएगा. डिवीजन किससे होगा? बाय सब्ट्रैक्टिंग. जो रिमाइंडर आता है उसको भी हम कंसीडर करते हैं. By continuously subtracting that number, you will get the result of division. The number of times it is subtracted, that is your result of division. And the left out is your remainder. So here, see, in this program, I am applying the logic of subtraction. This instruction, sub B. And then, after every subtraction, how many number of times subtraction is to be done is added. This addition instruction. So this will give you the result. 17 minus 4 is your 13. 13 minus 4 is my 9. 9 minus 4 is 5. 5 minus 4 is 1. So remainder here will be 1. And how many times I am subtracting it? 4 times. So result is my 4. So that result is substituted in register E. Got the logic? Division of two 8-bit numbers. Clear, students? Next, write a program to move a block of data from this location to this location. That means I'm having 20 block of data. I have to move it from one memory location to another memory location. It's very simple to write the program. Very simple. Just you have to apply a loop. Counter you have to put. जितना भी मेरा block size होगा उसका counter मैं put करूंगी. And continuously I will move the data from one memory location to other memory location. Sometimes overwrite can be happen. यहाँ क्या हो रहा है? मेरी first location है A000, second location is B000 hex. तो 10 data size में यहाँ से यहाँ move करूंगी. There is no problem. A single moving operation will help you out. Sometimes it will happen likewise in the next program. I am having 10 data size. मेरा first data शुरू हो रहा है A000 hex से जहाँ stored है. और मुझे इसको मूव करना है A005 hex. That means after 5th memory location, the older data will be there. Clear? And I have to save new data from 005 hex. So overwriting can be done. So for that, I have to apply certain twist in my program. वो ट्विस्ट क्या हो सकता है? कैसे स्टोर करूंगी मैं? A000 हेक्स से मेरा डेटा स्टोर होगा A00A तक और 005 से ही मुझे नया डेटा स्टोर करना है न्यू मेमोरी लोकेशन का। तो 5 से A तक का पुराना मेमोरी लोकेशन का डेटा क्या होगा, रीराइट हो जाएगा। But I have to first save that data. So how I will do, what I will do here, I will use a last memory location. Last memory location is A. What I will do, I will transfer the data from A to 5 को मैंने 10 से ऐड किया तो क्या मिलेगा मुझे, A005 से 10 ब्लॉक साइज डेटा कहाँ स्टोर होगा, it will be stored in 10 hex. So here what I will do, here I will have one-to-one communication from first location to first, second to second, third to third till 10th location. But here I will start in reverse order. First I will store the data which is there in the A location to 10 hex. In reverse direction I will move so that the last 5 memory locations will be cleared out and the first 5 memory location of this will be stored at A005 hex. Is it clear, student? So you have to apply your own logic. Any doubt? Yes, students, please respond. Any doubt? There are many programs I have given you, shared you the books also. So you can go through that. Subtraction of two 16-bit number, general programs ये पूछे जाते हैं. Addition of two 16-bit numbers, block moving, block exchanging of data. So these programs you should learn thoroughly. Division of 16-bit number by 8-bit number, multiplication of two 8-bit number, multiplication of 16-bit number by 8-bit number. ठीक है. Sorting of array, ascending order, descending order program can be asked in your exam. Logics, you know, because you are IT students, you are computer students, you know C, C++ language. So logics are same, just the writing language is different. So you can draw your flowchart, you can write algorithm, and then you can implement in assembly language programming. So sorting, ascending order, descending order, addition, subtraction, these are the basic programs which will be generally asked. Fibonacci series can be asked. Write a program to generate Fibonacci series. We all know what is Fibonacci series. Okay, calculate average of 3 numbers. रोटेशन के भी सारे पूछे जा सकते हैं प्रोग्राम तुमको. So we will wind up our class over here. Any doubt you can ask. In next class we'll continue with the next unit of your syllabus. So goodbye students. We'll continue in the next class. Thank you.